Is this set of Galaxy Z Fold 7 screen protectors from Spigen going to be worth it for your Z Fold 7? Let's find out. So when it comes to everything included, you have the two screen protectors here. You have a scraper tool here for any air bubbles, an installation pad that you can set your Z Fold 7 on top of when you install the screen protector, and also a cleaning kit as well, which comes with a microfiber cloth, any dust removal stickers, and then also lens and screen wipes here too. So first step obviously is going to be to clean your phone, but after that it's going to be time to install your screen protector. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's a really easy process. All you're going to want to do is set it down on this side on top of your Z Fold 7 screen. You're going to pull out right here from the bottom where it says pull on the pull tab. Press down on the top here and slide it all the way down to make sure that the screen protector is secured. All you have to do is lift up now at the end. And there is your brand new screen protector nicely installed. And now you can just grab your scraper and scrape the sides, get all those air bubbles out if there are any. And there's the installed screen protector. As you can see myself through it. So nice and shiny, really nice tempered glass. And everything was really smooth when it came to the installation. Like I said, the air bubbles came right out with the scraper as well, and everything is nicely centered. Now the thing about these screen protectors is that they're going to be made for cases. So they're going to be made for when you have a case on your Z Fold 7. Because you can see right here that around the edges, some parts aren't covered. When you do put a case on your Z Fold 7, those areas will be covered up with the screen protector. So these are made more for when you have a case on your Z Fold 7 along with the screen protector. But overall, if you're all looking for a screen protector for your Z Fold 7, would definitely recommend the set of 2 from Spigen. High quality tempered glass, the installation was super easy, and these definitely are going to be built to last for your phone screen. So definitely recommend these.